Have you ever imagined a world where human-like robots walk among us, indistinguishable from real people? Well, imagine no more. China, at the forefront of technological innovation, is bringing science fiction to life as it pioneers the creation of remarkably human-like robots. Could this groundbreaking endeavor signal a new era where robots seamlessly integrate into our lives, blurring the lines between man and machine? The nation has made large financial investments in robotics research and development, and the nation's roboticists are making tremendous headway in the construction of robots that are becoming more capable and lifelike. The GR1 is the first humanoid robot to ever be manufactured in mass quantities, and it was brought to the world by the Chinese startup company Fourier Intelligence. This is a significant step forward in the field of robotics. The GR1 robot is an important step forward in the development of robotics. It is 1.64 meters tall and weighs 55 kilos, making it a significant milestone in the area. This humanoid robot offers a wide variety of capabilities, including the capacity to walk, the ability to navigate around obstacles, and the ability to even carry out simple activities such as grasping objects. The GR1 is powered by a battery that has a high capacity, which enables it to work for an astonishing period of time of up to 8 hours before it needs to be recharged. A range of cutting-edge sensors, such as cameras, depth sensors, and technologies based on LiDAR, underpin the functionality of this device to a significant extent. These sensors, when combined, provide the GR1 the ability to precisely see and comprehend its environment. This, in turn, enables the GR1 to navigate effectively and interact with objects in a way that is purposeful. In spite of the fact that the GR1 is still in the process of being developed, Fourier Intelligence has its sights set on starting up mass production in the year 2024. This astonishing invention is expected to have a wide range of possible applications in the company's future, including those in the fields of customer service, healthcare, and education, amongst others. The introduction of the GR1 compels us to investigate its properties, possible applications, and the potential repercussions it could have on society as a whole. The characteristics of the GR1. The GR1 comes packed with a number of notable features, all of which add to the extraordinary capabilities it possesses. Walking speed. The humanoid robot is capable of traversing at a speed of 5 kilometers per hour, which is an impressive accomplishment given its complex construction and its size. Carrying capability. The GR1 has the ability to move significant weights thanks to its load-bearing capability of 50 kilos. Sensor. Empowered by a robust sensor suite, the GR1 exhibits a remarkable ability to accurately identify obstacles obstructing its path. Leveraging this advanced sensory technology, the robot autonomously computes optimal pathways to circumvent hindrances, resulting in seamless and effective obstacle avoidance. This dynamic capability underscores the GR1's prowess in traversing complex environments with precision and efficiency. Uncomplicated duties. The fact that it is capable of completing simple activities, like holding bottles, demonstrates that it has the ability to engage in fundamentally human-like relationships. Object interaction. The GR1's capability to interact with items highlights the device's potential for applications in the real world. Environmental navigation. The GR1 is able to navigate its environment with pinpoint accuracy by utilizing a variety of sensors, including cameras, depth sensors, and LiDAR. Applications that might be possible with the GR1. The development of the GR1 lays the door for a variety of prospective applications that have the ability to transform the dynamics of several businesses as well as societal structures. Customer service. The emergence of the humanoid robot, such as the GR1, ushers in a realm of possibilities where human-like machines seamlessly interact with customers in a myriad of settings. This innovation opens the door to a new era of customer service. one where robots take center stage in providing assistance at airports, hotels, and retail enterprises. At airports, the humanoid robot's capabilities could transform the passenger experience. Imagine a robot concierge greeting travelers, guiding them through terminals and assisting with check-in procedures. The efficiency and accuracy of these machines could alleviate common travel stressors and streamline the overall airport journey, from providing real-time flight information to helping passengers find their gates. These robots could redefine how we navigate through bustling airports. Healthcare. Within the field of healthcare, the GR1 may be able to provide helpful support in caring for the elderly and those with disabilities, thereby reducing the amount of work that is required of caretakers. Education. The GR1 has the potential to be utilized in educational institutions as an innovative teaching assistant or tutor, hence boosting the overall learning experience for pupils. Manufacturing. The capabilities of the robot could be useful in the manufacturing industry, where it could undertake dangerous or repetitive activities in factory settings, contributing to enhanced safety and efficiency. The dexterity and agility of the GR1 could change logistics operations by assisting in package delivery and commodity sorting, hence streamlining supply chain procedures. The effects of the GR1. Not only does the introduction of the GR1 into the technical scene carry deep implications for the field of robotics, but it also has these ramifications for the larger society environment as a whole. This groundbreaking innovation has the potential to transform whole sectors and reshape the way production, safety, and efficiency are viewed across a variety of marketplaces. However, although we marvel at the possibilities this breakthrough presents, it is essential to realize the ethical dimensions it adds, prompting us to ponder on the far-reaching ramifications. The striking resemblance to humans that humanoid robots like the GR1 have is one of the elements that make them one of the most intriguing types of robots. This blending of artificial entities and biological people raises an important question. How can we ensure the responsible incorporation of such powerful technology into our everyday lives? As these robots get more lifelike, the possibility of mistaken identity increases. This has the potential to have effects ranging from societal unhappiness all the way up to violent conflict. The presence of humanoid robots performing jobs that are ordinarily reserved for humans has the potential to cause misunderstanding, which calls for a cautious introduction of the new technology. In addition, the march of humanoid robots, which is still in progress, poses yet another important problem, which is the displacement of human workers. These robots, with their ability to perform activities that are becoming increasingly more complicated and human-like, are making inroads into fields that have been dominated by humans for millennia. There is a reasonable concern that, as these robots continue to advance in their capabilities, traditional job routes may be put at risk, which would lead to increased rates of unemployment and economic instability. To make the most of the possibilities that these machines provide, while simultaneously protecting people's jobs and lives, is a delicate balancing act. A complete strategy is required in order to successfully navigate these complex ethical concerns. Even though the GR1 has an enormous amount of potential, it still needs to be integrated into society after thorough assessment of both the benefits and the dangers it poses. To strike this balance, you need to have a holistic perspective that goes beyond technological wonders and penetrates into the very fabric of society values and the connection between humans. In spite of all of these factors, the underlying message is still unmistakable. Even while advances in technology are propelling us forward into the future, we must continue to be attentive curators of ethical introspection. While we luxuriate in the attraction of what is possible, we must equally be aware of the responsibilities that come along with innovation. The introduction of the GR1 may be a seminal event in the field of robotics. Nevertheless, it also compels us to consider our individual paths, the direction in which we choose to travel and the kind of society we would like to create. The unveiling of the GR1 as the world's first humanoid robot to be mass-produced marks a watershed in the progression of technology. Its extraordinary characteristics and the prospective uses that could be found for it are examples of the progress that has been made in robotics, which has the potential to change industries and our everyday lives. As we enter a new era of invention, it is still of the utmost importance that we find a way to strike a healthy balance between the pursuit of progress and ethical considerations. This will ensure that these innovations constructively contribute to our common destiny. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.